The location of your vegetable container garden plays a pivotal role in determining its success. To ensure a thriving and bountiful harvest, several key factors should be considered when deciding where to place your container garden. Firstly, sunlight is the lifeblood of any garden, and vegetables are no exception. Choose a spot that receives at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. South-facing balconies or patios are often ideal for this purpose, as they tend to get ample sunlight throughout the day. However, if your available space doesn't offer this much sun exposure, consider growing shade-tolerant vegetables like lettuce, spinach, or herbs that can thrive with 4 to 6 hours of sunlight. Secondly, proximity to a water source is crucial. Container gardens need consistent watering, so placing them near a hose or water spigot will make this task more convenient. Alternatively, invest in a drip irrigation system or self-watering containers to maintain optimal soil moisture. Thirdly, wind can be a friend or foe to your container garden. While gentle breezes are beneficial for preventing fungal diseases and encouraging strong plant growth, strong winds can damage delicate plants or dry out soil quickly. To strike a balance, consider placing your containers in a sheltered spot or using windbreaks like trellises or tall potted plants. Fourthly, think about accessibility. Ensure that your container garden is easy to reach for daily tasks like watering, weeding, and harvesting. Raised platforms or wheeled planters can be excellent options for mobility and accessibility. Additionally, consider the convenience of having your garden near your kitchen, making it easier to incorporate freshly picked vegetables into your meals. Fifthly, soil quality is paramount. If your chosen location has poor or contaminated soil, container gardening is an excellent solution. Use high-quality potting mix or create your own by mixing compost, peat moss, and vermiculite for a well-draining, nutrient-rich substrate. This also gives you greater control over the soil's composition and pH levels. Lastly, aesthetic appeal should not be overlooked. Container gardens can be as much about beauty as utility. Arrange your containers in an aesthetically pleasing way, using a variety of sizes, colors, and materials to create an inviting and visually appealing garden space. Incorporate trellises, arbors, or decorative fencing to add vertical interest and structure. Consider companion planting to enhance the visual appeal while also benefiting the plants themselves. In conclusion, the success of your vegetable container garden hinges on thoughtful placement that takes into account sunlight, water access, wind protection, accessibility, soil quality, climate, and aesthetics. By carefully considering these factors, you can create a thriving and visually pleasing garden that provides you with a bountiful harvest of fresh, homegrown vegetables. That is it. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon. Happy gardening, everyone!